Target Trading Academy.
Good afternoon, everybody. Preston Vogl here at Target Trading Academy with today's Micros Market Recap. Let's get right into it. Today is Tuesday, October 18th, just at the New York close. Starting off with micro oil, we opened well below the close from yesterday, even the range, and we just had immediate selling take hold that whole day, and then he ran into some support, and then they had some retracement back into the main body for today. So not a whole lot going on in oil. Lots of selling pressure. So not a lot. With that said, oil is also in rollover. Today's that first day. Well, actually yesterday, I should say, is really the first day that most people are starting to roll over. That amount of volume is really moving into this newer contract. That's the X22 contract right there. And so a good portion of them are in the Z22 or the December contract. So with that being said, they did finish net down for the day. Gold, if we blow that up here, gold opened, gold opened below its range from yesterday, had a quick little move up, hitting that range low, and then it just also sold off. But it had a lot more participation and available opportunities for our students at these levels, as it is also not in rollover. So there is consistent volume for today in gold, unlike oil where it has split participation, split volume. So really not too much to be expected for oil for the next few days while it is rolling over, as settlement is this week. So gold also finishing net down. As far as our equities go, we opened way gap up in the ES and the NASDAQ. If we just scroll back here in the ES, you can just see the long move we had. So we opened up, and it was a little choppy of an open, but ultimately the selling pressure was there, and it was carried throughout. There was a ton of fighting on the way down, but with that said, the sellers ultimately did get back towards that close here in the ES, and they just drove this sucker down. They got to the range, close, and then they immediately, after they got to that area, I believe the close was around here, they just shot right back up and finished net positive for the day, as you see here. So there was a lot of participation in the area. Large ranges today in the equities just because of how far we opened above from yesterday's close, and that move down, and it was just a choppy grind. NASDAQ got there first, I believe, in the day, but NASDAQ did open on some support, these HVA levels, and had some nice response around them, but ultimately they too drove that market back down towards that close, and they got it. So those big institutions didn't like what happened, or they liked it so much that, they wanted to keep getting more. Who knows? We just don't trade off of speculation. We trade off of what's in front of us based off these levels that are given the night before. With that said, NASDAQ did finish net positive for the day, as well as ES there. If you are interested in finding out more information about these levels, these high volume areas, or HVAs as we refer to them as, feel free to reach out to us. We are Target Trading Academy. You can find us on Facebook or go to our website at targettrading.co. Again, that is targettrading.co. Get in touch with the representative at either location. They'll gladly be able to show you what we do in our rooms each and every day, and you'll see for yourself why we are the #1 trading education company in the world. We look forward to having you there.